Hello respected sir, ma'am. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim Salim of Sagar Institute of Science and Technology, Bhopal, and I am here to present my major projects, which is cybersecurity tool website, and we are group number 19. So let's start. So this is our code of our project file, and I have deployed my project on Firebase. I have already created my Firebase account and I have created the Firebase project of our tool. And here I have written the Firebase deploy, and the project is being deployed. And this is the URL of my website, which is https://sctools.web.app. And I can just open this website, and this is my website. So when the website is open, we have shown the pop-up about welcome to cybersecurity department of Systech and cybersecurity tool website. We have also highlighted the point that we have 30 plus cybersecurity tools on our website and all about you can do on this website. So let's just close this and move on to our website. So this is the landing page of our website, and we have also added Sagrika, which is an AI chatbot developed by Sagar Institute of Science and Technology for their official website, and we have used the API of the deployed API and just used that on our project to help students get to know more about Sagar Institute of Science and Technology and all the courses and everything which Systech offers. So on this website we have added all the informations about cybersecurity, like what is the matter of concern, what is digital security, what is different kind of threats, and how to encounter these threats, and what are the do's and don'ts of cybersecurity. We have added the we can click on here and can go to the portal of cybercrime and submit about the cybercrime happening. So let's move on to the next page, which is the about page of our website. On our about page of our website, we have provided information about the cybersecurity department at Systech, and we have also added the information of this website. So which include what all the things a user can do on this website and what all things this website provide. Also with the details about cybersecurity department of Systech. These are, and the main part of our website is our tools. We have these are the around 13 tools we have developed, our group member developed to help users to understand the tools and keep secure themselves. Let's just get a quick demo about this Keylogger. And on this website, like for all tools, we have given the download button to download the Python script of this tool, and also how to use that file and everything. We have also added YouTube videos to help students understand about this tool and how to use that. We have added text encryption and decryption methods. We have added 4 different encryption methods to encrypt text. Let me just show you one quick demonstration of Cipher. So on Cipher, you can type any message and provide a key, and you get the encrypted text. So here let me just provide the hello world as a text, and I have to provide a key which is a string. So let me just give a key which can be hello. So hello is my key and hello world is my message. When I click on encrypt, I'll get this encrypted message which is in encrypted form. And if I want to decrypt this message, I just have to clear this, and I just have to provide a correct key and the decrypted text. So here I paste a decrypted text, and if I provide wrong key and try to decrypt it, it will give me a random alphabets. But if I provide correct key and click on decrypt, it will give me correct message which is hello world. So also we have provided the information about the cipher, like all the things we can do with the cipher and how the cipher work. And we have also added YouTube video to help understand. We have done this for all 3 methods of encryption, like Morse code. We have added the video for Morse code also. Along with this, we have reverse shell attack, we have MAC address changer, we have image steganography, In image steganography, person can upload any picture and just write the message, and the message will be get hidden in the that picture. And when the picture and send user can send that picture to anyone, and the receiver can just upload that image here, and he can read the hidden message in that image. And along with this, we have cyber attack impact assessment, which is a tool which help understand the status of a risk of a cyber attack. You can provide all the details about cyber attack and all the aspects of cyber attack, which will help to get the risk of the cyber attack, like behavior aspect, technical aspect of the attack, vulnerability factors, and threat agent factors. We have also password generator, ARP spoofing, DNS spoofer, and packet sniffer, and network scanner. Like, people can go on network scanner and he can just read about the network scanner, he can watch the video and everything. And along with this our tools, we have also added advanced tools. These are the tools created by big companies and which are used by cybersecurity professionals all around the world. We have added the types of advanced tools, and we have added all the tools. We have added 20 tools. These a user can just click on the tool. For example, if someone want to get to know about a particular tool like such as Splunk, he can just click on that and he will be redirected to the Splunk tool, which is a cybersecurity tool, and read about the basic about what is this tool, and he can watch the YouTube video of what is this tool and how he can use that tool and download that tool. And on the clicking on the button, we have redirected the user to the official website of this tool, and he can download the tool from here. So this is all about our website and all the tools. So this website helps all the students to know about all the different type of tools and how he can secure themselves in this digital world. Thank you so much. That's all.